Hey there my viewers, welcome back to the 8th episode of this channel and I hope it's going well. In this video, we have Basic English versus Advanced English Part 1. So in this video, I'm going to show you some words in both Basic and Advanced English. So without any further delay, let's learn the words. Here, in Basic English, it's I don't know, but in Advanced English, it's beats me. In Basic English, I'm listening, but in Advanced English, I'm all ears. In Basic English, we say good luck, and in Advanced English, we say break a leg. And I hear break a leg most of the time from my friends when I give an exam in my school. In Basic English, we say I am very hungry, but in Advanced English, I'm starving. In Basic English, I fell asleep, but in Advanced English, we say I nodded off. And that's what you will tell your teacher when you slept in your class. More words. In Basic English, we say I'm very busy, but in Advanced English, we say I'm swamped. In Basic English, we say try it, but in Advanced English, we say give it a shot. In Basic English, we say tell, but in Advanced English, we say inform. Tell me and inform me. In Basic English, it's check, but in Advanced English, it's verify. In Basic English, we say my mistake, but in Advanced English, we say my bad. Words. In Basic English, we say I feel sad, but in Advanced English, we say I feel blue. In Basic English, I'll pay the bill, but in Advanced English, it's on me. I'm very tired is in Basic, but I'm exhausted is Advanced. Maybe is Basic, but perhaps is Advanced. Improve is Basic, but Advanced, it's enhanced.